New day, new vlog. We are today going to go to this really sick national park, which is like an hour and a half from here in Split, and apparently it's got the dankest waterfalls known to mankind. So it's 8 in the morning and a few of us went a bit too hard last night. We're going to have a quiet one that obviously never materialized. So me, Rosh and James are actually really drunk. Rosh, James, how drunk did we get last night?
Gnarly, man.
Gnarly?
Gnarly, man.
How are you anticipating the hangover?
It's gonna be beautiful.
Gonna be beautiful.
My first child.
We'll go chasing waterfalls.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Just stick to the rivers and the lake that you're you.
Have you got enough sunscreen there, Rosé? Oh, saucy. Saucy.
What do I do with it? Shake Sword's hand.
Oh, he's been marked. Rosher.
Oh my god.
Rosh is getting white girl wasted.
Oh my god. What's going on? Wait, Chris, you want some sun cream?
We finally arrived at the national park and it's very crowded, but so worth the bus journey and the waking up hungover part, because watch here, there we are, pretty sick. So these fish are trying to swim against a current in order not to get carried into this other pool.
Black hole.
Yeah, into this black hole. Very interesting. They look all in line like a magnetic dipole. Tour's going well so far. Been seeing some pretty cool shit, but we still haven't had a bath and it's like 33 degrees. So really looking forward to that. We made it!
Action!
We made it to the waterfalls. The current is a bit difficult. Makes it a bit difficult to stand.
Like a gnarly.
So good. But yeah, 6 times. Look at this.
Me through.
360 views.
What are you doing? Who's kicking me?
There we go. We've had a great bath in those waterfalls and we've now just had a sick lunch. Sausages, chicken, fries, iced tea, beers. What's there not to like? We're gonna go in like an hour or so. Excursion over. It's been a sick day so far. Big night out tonight. We've made some new friends as well, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Really exciting. So yeah, gotta find this bus stop now. Don't know where it is. Made the bus. We are on the way back to Split. So yeah, great success of the day. Let's see what the rest has in store for us. back in Split. It's about 6:30. James and I are gonna go for dinner because we're hungry and we're gonna go get something only of the dankest order. So yeah, James and I are waiting for the others to come back. Yeah, so we're having a quick drink. Just a fast story. You might have thought, what the hell is this ring I'm wearing? Yeah, what the hell? But yeah, our friend Amanda got us some pretty sick rings as a present for us being so awesome to her. So yeah, pretty cool. What a sweetheart she is. Shout out Amanda.